This video lecture explains the use of presentational elements in an HTML programming. The presentational elements are B element, I element, U element, S element, SUP element, SUB element, big element, small element, and HR element. The B tag specifies bold text. Anything that appears in a B element is displayed as bold. The content of the I tag is displayed in italic text. The I tag can be used to indicate a technical term, a phrase, a thought, or a noun. The U tag is used to define an underlined text. The U element can be avoided where it could be confused for a hyperlink on a web page. The S tag specifies text that is no longer correct or accurate or relevant. The S element is used to define strike-through text. The SUP tag defines superscript text. Superscript text can be used for footnotes. The SUB tag defines subscript text. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O. The big tag defines bigger text. The small tag defines smaller text. The HR tag defines a thematic break by means of an horizontal line in an HTML page. The HR tag has no end tag. The HR tag can be used with attributes such as align, no shade, size, and width. The align attribute can have values such as left, center, and right. The no shade attribute can have value as no shade alone. The size attribute can have value in terms of number of pixels. Similarly, the width attribute can have its value in terms of number of pixels. Let us observe the demonstration of the creation of a HTML document using a notepad editor to determine the use of presentational elements. To invoke a notepad editor in the Windows 10, we have to click Start, scroll down the list of applications and open the Windows Accessories folder. There we will find the notepad shortcut. We have to click the notepad shortcut, then the notepad window appears by opening a blank document. After that, we can type the HTML code inside the notepad text editor's blank file. The typed HTML document starts with a comment tag. The comment tag in HTML starts with an opening tag, less than symbol, exclamation mark, 2 dashes, and ends with a closing tag, 2 dashes, and greater than symbol. The HTML element starts with an opening tag HTML and ends with /HTML closing tag. The head element starts with an opening tag head and ends with /head closing tag. The head element consists of a title element. The title element starts with an opening tag title and ends with /title closing tag. The title element has the content as presentational elements. This content will be displayed in the browser's title bar of the web page. The body element starts with the opening tag body and ends with /body closing tag. Each presentation element is specified inside the P element one by one inside the body element. To save HTML code using Notepad text editor, you need to select the file menu from the top navigation bar. Select Save option from there. After that, Windows Explorer will pop up on your screen. Here you have to choose a location for your HTML file. Give your HTML file a name with .html extension and click Save button to save your HTML file. Find the HTML file that is created and saved just now, right click on it and choose Open With from the menu. You will see a list of browsers that you can use to open your HTML document. Choose a browser. When the HTML document is opened using a browser, we can see that all the presentation elements are displayed on the web page. To summarize, the B tag specifies bold text. The content of the I tag is displayed in italics. The U tag is used to define underlined text. The S tag is used to define strike-through text. The SUP tag defines superscript text. The SUB tag defines subscript text. The big tag defines bigger text. The small tag defines smaller text. The HR tag is used to present a horizontal line. For memorization, an acronym is invented using the first letters of presentation elements, that is BIUS cube BSH, where B stands for bold, I stands for italics, U stands for underline, S cube stands for S, SUP and SUB tags, B stands for big, S stands for small, H stands for horizontal line. Thank you.